This is an example of a flipped classroom lesson. In a flipped classroom lesson, you'll be watching a video, a PowerPoint, a slideshow, and you'll be taking notes for your homework. We're going to practice that today in class, talking about our big goals. So here's how I'd like you to set up your notebook. First, what I would like you to do is write your topic. So our topic today is big goals. Then we always put the date. The date today is (8/27/13). Now, when you're taking your notes for your flipped classroom homework, what you're going to be doing is writing key vocabulary and ideas, and you're going to be taking notes on the other side. So that's how you're going to work today in this lesson. Underneath, questions and summary. That's how you'll wrap up your lesson. So when we're talking about big goals, we're talking about our class big goals. I'm going to show you the poster of big goals to give you some time to take notes on it. So, our big goal for science class is 100% of all scientists will achieve 80% mastery of content objectives. 100% of scientists will grow at least 2 years on the MAP test. That's in 2 different parts, general science and concepts and processes. So the way that you would take notes on this looks like this. Key vocabulary. The first one was a mastery objective. So we'll put mastery quiz objectives. Okay, and then our mastery quiz objective was 80% mastery on all quizzes. That's what you'll put in your note section. What this means is in each objective, you'll get at least an 80%, 4 out of the 5 questions correct. The second goal was 100% of scientists will grow 2 years on the MAP test. We'll call this a MAP goal. So our MAP goal is 2 years growth. Now, one more thing to remember when we're thinking about goals. The goals that you set and that you make this year in science class are going to help you achieve in the future. It'll help you achieve for the rest of middle school, and then it will help you in high school, college, and beyond. It's important to set goals to give yourself something to work for. So maybe we should put one reason why it's important to set a goal. Gives me something to work for. So it'll give you time to think about what you need to do and then to set goals to accomplish that. So the final part of these notes is to write a question, any questions that you still have, or a question that could be used on a quiz. So if you don't have any questions, you can make up your own question that I might use on a quiz. And then finally, a summary of what you learned. So a question might be, what is the MAP test if you've never taken it? Okay, and then a summary of today's lesson might be it's important to have goals because you have something to work for. In science, we have goals around mastery quizzes and we have goals around the MAP test. So you can take a moment to write down your summary of today's lesson. And thank you for watching.